What if one of the cheapest electric cars in America suddenly became one of the smartest? That might sound surprising, but that's exactly what's happening with the return of the 2027 Chevrolet Bolt. After disappearing from the market just a few years ago, this small electric hatchback is making an unexpected comeback. And this time, it's coming back with better technology, better charging, and a mission to prove that electric cars don't have to cost a fortune. Welcome back to Phi Hoang Channel, where we break down the most important stories in the automotive world. Today's story is about a car that many people thought was gone for good, the Chevrolet Bolt. Just a few years ago, General Motors ended production of the Bolt after battery issues and shifting EV strategies. Many believed the car had reached the end of its life, but something interesting happened. Drivers across America started realizing something important. Most electric vehicles were becoming too expensive. Suddenly, the idea of a simple, affordable EV started to look very attractive again. So GM made a surprising decision. They brought the Bolt back. The new 2027 Chevrolet Bolt starts at around $30,000, making it one of the most affordable electric vehicles in the United States. In a market where many EVs easily climb past $40,000 or even $50,000, the Bolt positions itself as a realistic option for everyday drivers. But the real story isn't just the price, it's what you get for that price. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the floor, the Bolt uses a modern battery pack paired with a single electric motor driving the front wheels. The system produces around 210 horsepower, which is more than enough for daily driving, city commuting, and highway cruising. The goal here isn't to create a performance monster. The goal is efficiency and practicality. And when it comes to range, the Bolt delivers about 262 miles on a full charge. For most American drivers, that's several days of driving before even thinking about plugging in. Charging has also improved significantly compared to the previous generation. The new Bolt supports much faster DC charging, meaning drivers can go from roughly 10% battery to about 80% in around 25 minutes. For road trips, that kind of charging speed makes a big difference. But perhaps the most important upgrade is something that could completely change how convenient this car is to own. The 2027 Bolt now uses the same charging standard as Tesla. That means owners can access the massive Tesla supercharger network across the United States without needing special adapters. For many EV drivers, charging availability is one of the biggest concerns, and this move instantly makes the Bolt far more practical for long-distance travel. Visually, the car may look familiar. The overall shape is similar to the previous Bolt EUV, with a compact crossover-like design that focuses on interior space and practicality. Chevrolet has refreshed the front and rear styling, giving the car a slightly more modern appearance, but it still clearly looks like a Bolt. Inside the cabin is where the biggest changes appear. The dashboard now features a modern digital layout with a large infotainment screen and a digital driver display. The system runs on built-in Google software, allowing drivers to use navigation, voice commands, and apps directly through the car's interface. However, there is one controversial decision. The new Bolt does not include Apple CarPlay or Android Auto compatibility. Instead, GM wants drivers to rely entirely on the built-in Google system. Some drivers may not mind this change, while others might prefer the flexibility of smartphone integration. Technology doesn't stop there. The Bolt can also be equipped with Super Cruise, General Motors' hands-free highway driving system. This feature allows the car to drive itself on certain highways, while the driver keeps their attention on the road. If equipped, the Bolt could become one of the most affordable cars in America to offer this kind of advanced driving technology. And that's what makes this car so interesting. The 2027 Chevrolet Bolt isn't trying to compete with luxury electric cars. It's not chasing futuristic design experiments. Instead, it focuses on something far more important: accessibility. If electric vehicles are truly going to replace gasoline cars in the future, they must be affordable for ordinary drivers. Cars like the Bolt play a critical role in making that transition possible. In many ways, the Bolt represents a different philosophy for EVs: simple, practical, affordable. And sometimes those qualities are exactly what the market needs. This is Phi Hoang Channel, bringing you the stories behind the machines shaping the future of driving. And if you're curious about where the EV world is heading next, make sure to stay tuned, because the next generation of electric cars is only just beginning. Car Electric Power.